Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Roshain more reviews. Today we're back at Emancipation Park. Just to take in the Christmas decoration. I did promise to do a night video of the Emancipation Park so you guys can see what it's like during the night. That's the Pegasus over there. And then down here is another hotel, Courtly. And then we have the Wyndham Hotel being renovated as well. So the plan is to have this entire stretch of only hotels. There's also a plan to build a 34 floors or a 34 story hotel by the Hendricksons. So let's see how that turns out. So we're back at Emancipation Park, starting this video outside just to highlight some of the retail outlets. We have Sub-Zero, ice cream, shakes, and then we have Copperwood jerk. That's for all your jerk stuff. Alright, if you're new to the channel guys, definitely subscribe for more content. Subscribing is absolutely free. And remember to like and comment on the video so that the video can spread. Remember to share as well to a friend, to a family member, to a co-worker. And if you decide that you want to donate, to the channel in any way, then all that option is in the description as well. So Emancipation Park, let's take a walk inside. Alright, so we see persons are jogging in the park. It's a little bit dark guys, or it is dark because it's night. Forgive me for that. I just want to show that real authentic night look in the park without any lights or anything. And remember, the video before this one is the day look of the Emancipation Park. That was a day video. So if you didn't see that video, You can go back and check it out to see how the park looks during the day. I'll put that link in my description as well for the day video for the Emancipation Park. Alright, so this building here is the NHT car park. The NHT head office is right beside the Courtyard Marriott. That's the Courtyard Marriott. So we've seen they're having an outside dining setting. See the moon right there peeping out. Alright guys, remember to subscribe, remember to like the video, share the video, leave your comment as well in terms of what you think about the night decor, the Emancipation Park, New Kingston. So I'll be ending the video here. To see you on that next video. And remember, if you want to donate to the channel, there's some links in the description as well.